Welcome back to the channel. This is still my Pixel 10 Pro and it's running Android 17 QPR1 Beta 1. Now this is going to be a quick video because when I did my video on the Android 17 QPR1 Beta 1 I did not show you the terminal, and finally we start seeing more and more new options for the terminal, and I'm going to show you the settings around because this is probably what's more exciting. Right now there is a whole new theming section. And I'm gonna go back to this, but before this I want to go inside advanced. So right now we have something called display resolution. So if you choose to run a full Linux environment like the many times I did in all of my previous videos and playing Doom and running LibreOffice or whatever you want, because this is here in our real Linux environment, of course emulated anyway, you now can choose full display resolution, which might hit your performance, and also half, which is supposed to give you more performance, and also like quarter resolution that, yeah, will degrade quality but probably give you even better performance. Also, we have now the graphics acceleration. This is pretty cool because now we can choose software render, which I guess is like OpenGL Virtual, or you can get GPU accelerated renderer. Now, I'll probably install a full-blown Linux on this thing and test it in the coming days, but again, a quick video. What about the new setting for the memory? Anyway, it's not so new, but now you can just go and do as max as like 10G, which is not a good idea on my Pixel, but this is how it looks like in case you want to increase the memory size. And also you have keep awake. This is gonna awake your screen, and just keep it like this, and yeah, you know what happens when you keep it for too long. Nevertheless, now let's go back on the theming because this is pretty cool. So we have the standard theme, all right, and in the standard theme, this is what you're gonna get. So if I am to just run a command here, I'm gonna run screen fetch for you to illustrate it. All right, I'm gonna press enter. Alright, it's gonna take a while, I guess, to render it, but this is going to be it. Now, this is the standard dark environment, but I can go to theming and I can choose something called Dracula, right? And yeah, this is so much pleasing for the eyes. And I think there is even more. There is another one called Solarized dark theme, and this is how this thing looks like. And you have these things also for the light theme. So on the light theme, you can use the theme selected for the dark mode, or you can use the sound light preset. But what's pretty cool is the fact that you have the option to download more themes. And they are supported in the a la Christie format. So what happens when you click here is it's going to open terminalcolors.com, from where you can just select what you want. And it's pretty cool because you get like a nice preview of how it's going to look like. So let's say that I want to download this one, right? You can see the whole color scheme and etc. And what you can do right now, you just click here. Remember, it's the a la Christie format, and this thing is going to be a TOML extension file. You can directly import it from here. Okay, and now if I click to dark theme, all right, yeah, I have a new one, and hopefully this is how it's gonna look like. How do I know? I'm just gonna go back and put something like screen fetch. By the way, yeah, this is not pre-installed, so you need to just like do sudo apt and then sudo apt install screen fetch, and this is how it's gonna look like. And let's try to install one more just for the sake of testing it. Which one of those? Okay, this one is interesting. So click here, all right, and then remember, download the a la Christie format. Again, this is going to be a .toml file. I'm going to click open, and then I'm just going to directly import it. And now what happens when I go here, I can see I have another one, tender default. And you can see my terminal is a bit different, and I'm going to type again screen fetch, and I'm going to hit enter, and hopefully, yeah, this is my new theme. So Android 17 QPR1 Beta 1 with some more options on software versus hardware acceleration, some more options that I do believe are very important around the display resolution, and also theming. Who would have thought this thing, if used properly and configured properly, can be a full-blown Linux? And if you want to see more, just go watch some of my many videos I did about this. Thank you so much for watching this. Stay safe, we'll see you over, and bye.